Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, yesterday gold proved again that gold is not for weak-hearted people. So if you panic very quickly, then gold trading is not for you. Okay, so be careful, my dear friends, because things are still not very stable right now. Yesterday, we got to see a great drama on gold. At first, there was crazy downside, then crazy upside. So if you panic very quickly, then you should look for some slower assets like Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold is not the perfect thing for you. So this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and right now we can see that gold is trading comfortably above 2800. Yesterday, my dear friends, when gold started going down, okay, all the buyers exited because previously market was bullish. When gold broke 2800, people started thinking that gold is heading towards 2900, 3000 level. So people started buying gold. Okay, so when gold started going down after the market opening, buyers exited. Okay, buyers exited because there was a panic in the market. There was a sudden selling pressure. Many people started thinking that finally we have the trend reversal, which was not. And when gold was going down, people started taking sell positions because buyers who were trapped, buyers who made losses, obviously they needed to recover their the loss, isn't it? So people started taking sell position, and when people started taking sell position, market started going up again. So on the same day, buyers and sellers both were killed by the market. So yesterday we got to see a good drama. You can also call it market manipulation, whatever it is. Okay, obviously we have some technical reasons, but we cannot deny the fact that market manipulation is a bitter reality. Okay, because it's a zero-sum game. Okay, to make money, one needs to make money. One will make money, and one will be in loss. Okay, it's a zero-sum game. So if you look at the market sentiment now, you can see gold edges higher on safe haven demand. Gold edges higher in early Asian trade. The precious metal hit a new record high this week as investors continue to place their money in safe haven assets due to uncertainties around trade, rising trade tension. You must be knowing that trade tension is going on because of the new US President Donald Trump. Okay, there is a tariff on Canada and Mexico already, and China also. So there's an uncertainty in the market or throughout the globe right now. So the bullishness on gold may remain. Why? Because gold is obviously bullish whenever there is a crisis in the world. So please treat gold accordingly. Okay, and if you look at a chart of dollar, okay, yesterday we got a huge upside on dollar, but remember we also discussed that there is a possibility of a gap filling. To be honest, I was not expecting immediate gap filling, but yes, gap has been filled right now. So after the gap filling, okay, market may go up again. So on the chart of gold, we may see market going up because the trend of the market undoubtedly bullish. There is no doubt about it. So yesterday when we were discussing about gold, I told you guys that before taking a sell position, you need to wait till 2750. Remember, I told you guys that if you have any positional buy position, exit below 2750. Okay, because below 2750, it would have been clear that okay, finally gold is going for a downside. But gold recovered before 2750. So hopefully positional traders are still holding their buy positions. So if you have your ongoing buy on gold right now, continue with your buy position because of the uncertainty in the market. Further upside is very much possible. Okay, and yesterday when I told you guys that if that you need to wait for the market to settle down, to be honest, I was talking about consolidation. I was not expecting this immediate recovery. Okay, so anyways, okay, this is market. Okay, and we are traders. We need to be flexible. If market is bullish, we need to go with a bullish mindset. If market is bearish or changes the trend suddenly, we need to be bearish. So again, I'm repeating, if you have any ongoing buy, you can continue with the buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then you can see today I have marked two levels here. Right now, I can see after taking support around the previous resistance around 2813 area, market has gone up. So price action is still working, and we have seen earlier also, apart from price action, nothing is working on gold for the last couple of days. So during the day, if we see market coming down, next buy opportunity will be around 2800 2802. Why? The previous resistance will be working as support, and we also have the 50 moving average around the area. So if you see the market is coming down, observe the size of the candle, observe volume. Remember yesterday when market was falling, candles were quite big. If you see similar size of candles, then 2800 2802 may not work. Okay, but if you see market coming down with small candles or smaller candles, then you can expect the market to take support around 2802 2800 area. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, observe whether market is taking support or not, market is showing price rejection from below or not. If it is, hit the buy button. No need to wait for the candle to close. You may miss the opportunity. Okay, so this is our first opportunity. Second opportunity is around 2790 or 2785, because we can clearly see market is forming higher highs, higher lows, and the trend line is working as a dynamic support. I don't like to talk about trend lines much, okay, but we can clearly see the market is taking support. Okay, though the trend line has become very common, I think in this situation, okay, market may continue the bullish trend here. So if market takes support around 2790 2785 area, we can buy again. So these are the two buying opportunities on the chart of gold. I am not recommending any sell position here, because we can clearly see, okay, buyers are in charge right now. Yesterday's sell was a correction. Okay, yesterday when we were looking at the articles, one article mentioned that it was a correction. To be honest, I was a little skeptical, but it is clear right now, whatever happened yesterday was just a technical correction. Okay, so if market comes down also, we can expect that it will be a technical correction only. Okay, anyways, use proper stop loss, because see, right now I'm recording the video in the Asian session, and in the Asian session market sentiment is different. In the US session, if there is a sudden change in the direction of the market, please follow that only. Okay, and one more thing I would like to add here is that, and if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously buy at breakout is still possible. But if you're a swing trader, then I will not suggest you buy at breakout, because your risk to reward may not match. Okay, and it will be better for you to buy at retracement only. But if you're a day trader, if you're a scalper, then you can look for buy at breakout. For example, if gold breaks 2832, you can go for a buy for a target of 50 60 70 pips. Okay, because after some time, okay, market will be coming down for the market structure. Okay, so if market breaks 2832, okay, with good upside, we can look for a buy position. During the Asian session, okay, there is a high chance that the breakout may fail. In the European session, US session, if you see market going up with volume, then you can hit the buy button. My dear friends, if you're looking for a safe Forex broker, reliable broker, then you can consider StarTrader. I will paste the link in the description. StarTrader is a tier 1 licensed broker. Okay, they have license from ASIC, and they have also received the license from SCA as well. So if you're from Middle East, you can check out StarTrader. They are also a member of the Financial Commission. So in case of any dispute, you will get a compensation up to 20,000 euros. They also give you insurance. And the best part is that the spread is very low. So if you're a day trader, then obviously lower spread is your first priority, isn't it? So if you're looking for a tight spread, then you'll get a spread of 17 to 20 on gold. Initially, the spread will be on 27, but after a deposit, just let me know. I can reduce the spread for you. And if you're from India, if you're a resident of India, then you will also get a swap free account. And if you're from UK, then you must be knowing that in UK, Europe, the leverage, okay, is a big issue, because many traders, okay, get a leverage of 1:30 only. So if you're from Europe or UK and looking for higher leverage, then you can also go with StarTrader. You'll get a leverage up to 1:500, 1:1000. Okay, so feel free to check out StarTrader. I will paste the link in the description.